Wagwan YouTube, and welcome to my channel Sammy Jay Cooks. If you enjoy my videos and like the recipes, please ensure to like, comment, subscribe and share. And today I'm changing it up a bit with one of my favorite drinks. Yes people, my favorite drink, Guinness Punch. All the ingredients are found in the description. So all you do is get your jug or any container that you have to make drinks. Open up our Guinness. Pour all of it in, every last drop. There we go. And then we're going to get our mighty malt. Open that up. Pour it all in. The entire can. That also comes in a glass bottle. And then we're going to go in with our Nourishment. Make sure you shake up your Nourishment before you start pouring. And again, the entire can, every last drop. And don't worry about that foam on top. It will settle down as we go along. And then we're going to stir it up. Keep stirring, mixing everything up. And now we're going in with our vanilla extract. 2 caps. 1 and 2. And then we're going to get our mixed essence. Now I usually eyeball everything that I do, but that's a tablespoon. So a tablespoon of mixed essence. And then we're going to go in with our ground nutmeg. So that's a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And then we're going to go in with our ground cinnamon. Again, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we're going to stir it up. Keep stirring. Stir, stir. And now we're going to sweeten it. Now everybody's taste buds is different, so go according to your own sweetness. I would say start with about half of the can. And then we're going to stir it up. Keep stirring. Taste. Now we need more. We need more. Pour all of the can. And then we're going to stir it up. We're going to keep stirring. Taste. Keep tasting as you go along to get it to your preferred sweetness. Make sure all the condensed milk is mixed in and mix it in well. If you want, you can put it in the blender as well and taste. And there you go. There you have your Guinness Punch. Enjoy. All the ingredients are in the description below. So please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications of recipes from Sammy Jay Cooks. And please leave a comment stating if you've tried the recipe or not and let me know what you think. Bye.